Hi guys, hi friends. Today we will be talking about let it go. You come in life to some point that that is just better to let it go. For everything you were attached for many years, and now it's your day. So just let it go, just everything. How I mean by that is that whatever you think it must be in your way, okay, this is like ego, just leave it as it is and better focus what is in your power, okay, to change for the better, for yourself, of course. um, I do it like that. I think about certain, for example, to have my own house, okay, and to live more, how can I say, wealthier life. This need for that, okay, you just with exhale release it up there and just put your energy where you have the strength, okay, and abilities for that, for changing your life, and just be grateful for any help and live with love, okay. Love can change many things. This universal love, okay, is solution for everything. You know, important is what what your soul wants, not your ego, because ego is programmed, and you are soul using your body. That's why you need to, to focus more on your soul. On I hope you already know what what is your soul, that you can ask soul, not your ego, because you need to distinguish between ego and soul, okay. So what you feel, this is your soul, is needs for your life. This should be your focus. So, and you need to know how just how can I say, just if it is that, it's okay. If it's like that, it's also okay. Okay, both directions is also perfect. This is easier to live like that, okay. Of course you can have your desires, what is best for you, you think it is, but if you want to live more harmonious way, you just choose whatever comes in your way, to your way. It's if for example I easier decided to for some change if I'm in a higher vibration, so, or at peace like now, or that I'm joyful. When whatever it comes to me, I said definitely yes. It is. Then I can decide easier. This is for some bigger change in your life. So I hope this helps you. We are here to explore, okay, and well, you are important in this life, but you are not alone, okay, and we are all connected. That's why not everything is it cannot go whatever you want, because there are also other people involved in whatever you want to let it. That's why it's better to let it go, okay, whatever you want in your life, okay. And I can tell you, for example, for me it was the house, okay, to have a home. Well, I have a home, but it's more like a place for living. But the home, the real home is sea, is nature for me, and better would be the sea and sun all day long. This would be perfect, but this you need to have a lot of money. Or another way is house sitting. This we are using with Tina every half year, so that we satisfy our souls, not ego. Oh, if you are living in the sea, then you are no. It's just for the soul. We are happy when we are living in the sea. So I hope one day, with the work we share, we will be able to buy also on the sea. And for now, I hope that soon we will at least have in our country finally decent house in a total solitude, peace and nature, because you know, when you are on a raw food, and we went even further, okay, and it is almost a must to be connected to the original environment. So if you're going with the flow, you're constantly growing, and you need to accept all the changes to be connected with the universe again and your higher self. I hope you appreciate what I have just shared with you. I wish you all your wishes and needs to be finally manifested in your reality right now, in a way that is very close to what you were asking for. So, every change with love is good. So be brave. Love ya. Please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Ciao, ciao.